How to generate images with DeepSeek AI. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open DeepSeek AI app on your device. Here, in the message DeepSeek section, simply type in create an image. Create an image and what image you want to create. After that, you can simply send it. After you send it, it will show this kind of screen. Here, you will find image of your topic, and since I can generate actual images, it will give you other options like other websites or other apps where you can generate image. As you can see, it will also give you a proper prompt. Simply copy the prompt given here, and as you can see, for the best result, use this detailed prompt with an AI image generator like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion. You can use these. And this is how to generate images with DeepSeek AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.